Well, hello, Darren Stewart here with Stewart Stewart Attorneys. As always, Nick Wagner's with me here today.
Thank you, sir.
Talk for a little bit.
Yep.
And this is I wanted to share with you a client call that I had earlier this week.
Get those.
And it was an interesting conversation. We got to talking. He was on a motorcycle when he got hit by a car. And some significant injuries, broken leg, and it wasn't his fault. And he and I started talking about, how motorcycle accidents happen, how people don't necessarily pay attention to motorcycles, or because they're a little bit smaller,
Right.
and don't see them, etc. And how those wrecks can happen. They can happen a lot of different ways. You could be on the motorcycle, and I ride a motorcycle as well. I'm very, very defensive when I ride, but you could be following all the rules of the road. Someone just come flying in, just like they could, I guess, if you're driving a car.
Yeah.
But you don't have the protections that
You're more exposed, certainly.
absolutely more exposed. And that there's so many different ways. Also, if you're coming straight through a stoplight, for example, and the oncoming traffic, there's someone waiting to turn left across your lanes. Sometimes they'll rush that or not see you because it's just the one headlight. Of course, that's
Right.
why the headlights are on, so they're noticeable.
Yeah.
But that can happen. So always want to try and be careful. I like to try and ride with at least someone else, if not a couple other people, because then you're much more visible.
Right.
When there's two or three of you. So we try to do that, and we chatted about that. But we're going to help him with his case. He got hurt bad, and make sure that all of his bills are paid and get him fully compensated. Wage loss, several things losses that he had, that we're going to make sure we get covered. So if you've been injured on a motorcycle or in any way, please give us a call right here at Stewart Stewart. We would love to talk with you. The number's 800-3333-LAW. You can also find us on the web at getstewart.com.